McLaren is very happy with that. Afridi is, I think, talking to himself a lot. He's unhappy with something by the looks of things, Afridi, but he is still walking towards the pavilion. Disappointed, obviously. What a massive wicket that is. Look at those flags.
Absolutely. Big wicket here for South Africa. This was the one they were looking for. Just asked by the umpire to hang on, just checking if there was a no ball. Oh, it's marginal.
I don't think it's marginal. I don't think it's marginal. I think it's over. I think it's a no ball. It's a no ball. Pakistan supporters have gone berserk.
Absolutely, it's just been on the big screen. And Afridi walks back. He walked only as far as the 30 yards went. And then he's come back again.
Alan Donald's making a note. Sense of humour failure for A.B. de Villiers. Same for Ryan McLaren. That was probably the game. That was probably it. Now we've got a free hit as well. He smashed it, Miles. Wow, it's right on top of the roof. That would have gone into the golf course. It might have gone into the golf course. On the roof, bounced over the top, into the golf course. And it's not a hole-in-one, but it deserves more than 6. Goodness gracious me. Sensational stuff from Afridi.